In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage users in Smartsheet. Managing users is an important part of keeping your workspace secure and organized. As a system administrator, you have the permissions needed to add people, review access, and make updates as your team changes. To begin, log into Smartsheet as a system administrator. Make sure you are using the correct account, because only an administrator will see the full set of management tools. Once you are logged in, take a moment to confirm that you are on the main Smartsheet interface where your workspace options are available. Next, click your profile icon and select Admin Center. The profile icon is usually located in the top area of the screen. When you click it, a menu should open. From that menu, choosing Admin Center takes you to the administrative area where user management features are grouped together. This is the place where you will spend most of your time when managing access for your organization. After you open Admin Center, look at the left navigation menu. This side menu organizes different admin functions in a clear way. Click User Management in the left navigation menu. This action will switch the view to the tools used for controlling who has access to Smartsheet and what license they have. If you do not immediately see User Management, double-check that you are indeed in the Admin Center area. Now you are ready to add or update users. Click Add User. When you select this, you will be taken to a form where you can enter the details for the new user. Enter the user's email address in the email field. For security and privacy, use the actual email your organization wants to use for that person. But keep in mind that this script is for guidance, so you should only use the appropriate information within your own workspace. As you finish entering the email address, assign their license. The license assignment controls what features the user can access. Choose the license that matches the level of access your team requires. Spend a moment here to ensure the license is correct, because this is one of the main reasons user management matters. Incorrect licensing can lead to confusion, or it can restrict access when a user needs it. Once you have entered the email address and selected the license, review the information on screen to confirm it is accurate. Then proceed to complete the Add User process according to what Smartsheet displays. After the new user is added, you should be able to see them in the user list. From there, you can manage changes at any time. Next, you may need to locate an existing user. In the User Management area, find the user in the list. If the list is long, use the search or filtering options if they are available on your screen. Take a moment to ensure you select the correct person, because edits and deletions should be applied only to the right account. When you locate the user, click the More icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots. This menu provides additional actions for that specific user. From this menu, you can select Edit User to change their details. For example, you may need to update their license or other account settings based on changes in responsibilities. If the user account needs to be removed instead, you can choose Delete User from the same More menu. Before using Delete, pay close attention to what Smartsheet indicates, since deleting a user will remove their access. This is why it is important to confirm you are working with the correct user record before making a decision. That completes the core process of user management in Smartsheet, adding new users with the right license and editing or deleting existing users when your organization's needs change. And that covers everything you need to know.